Natanaw, mata manawin mo ang tunay na kalagayan ko. Hello, hello. Ano ba yung mic ko? Hello? Mic, mic. Ay, mic to. Oh, mic. Di na glitchy-glitchy? Nata-glitchy-glitchy. Huwag masyadong halata. Bato-bato sa langit. Wag na bato, bato, bato sa langit. Ikaw wag masyadong halata. Bumabay na ako kakanta. Hello, welcome back. It's me, Basic W. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, this is um, uh, this is Gear 4, Gear 4. I love Gear 4. But my favorite is this. Yes, classic. Let's play classic. Click. This is my favorite. QB. Level 20 and win 9 and go 0. Wait, check. Win 7 plus C. Oh, hello. Ano goy? Ano gay? This is dig dig dig. Guys, later I will show you the time accelerator bug. If you want to find the who made that time accelerator bug, just go find it. Joke. His name is this. Check it out. Check it out. It's my
Somewhere.
idol. What a login. Is this it? Is this it? Is this it? What the? Oh, yeah. I think is this it. Nail was bald. My idol. What the? This. This video. This is their name. And I love you, brother. You're my idol. Okay, back to the video. And how to do the time accelerator bug. Here, let me show you. Sorry if this is too long to like a clip. Clip. Sure, claim your money. Yeah. Claim your money. Oh, I'm too late. Late na late ah. You need to be fast enough to hold your fingers. Click. Click. Ah, thank you. Okay, go to. Bro, I already connect to the server. Go to the dragon and press OK. Okay, go to here. Go to class. May campaign. Yellow. Follower is gonna. It's gonna work in any chicken. Like manok na tulang. bro, 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 bro. Please, 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 please. Oh yeah. Yeah. My money. Okay, that is for guys. Thanks for watching. And always peace out, my buddy.